Good over evil, good over evil. Fighters are fighting people. Well, it don't matter what obstacles coming your way. Yeah, we don't wanna watch the place right now. Things are getting trade right now. The place are getting raid right now. So the things set away. Wanna see the place right now. Some say the government are play right now. Place are getting trade right now. See the things set away. Yeah, we don't. Some say they care for the youths them. Cause the youths are the future. Be careful of what you teach them. Don't turn them in no vulture. You say the place them gone way. Your envy and hatred. Man I move like them and sick and spiritual wickedness. I am no places. Need more love in the world right now. Show more love to the youth right now. We don't want no more gun mine. Pull up a love gun with the hard now. Don't know see the place right now. Things are getting trade right now. The place are getting raid right now. So the things set away. Oh no, see the place right now. Some say the government are play right now. Place are get trained right now. See the things set away. Better move up with your ranking walk and your ranking talk. Some man a love ranking thing. Yo, we are ranking far if you don't got bank. Some man a like talking thing. Yo, no bother tell me you back where you from. Yo, little youth say me back from me band. Just because me pop me mind and decide.
Well, good day my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Click on another video. Wake up a little bit aggravated today. All I'm saying is, people who consider me them friend, don't be afraid to tell me how you feel and contact me, because you know people them who contact me for certain favors, I may help them out when they need to link back countryman. You understand? And I don't know if you're not afraid of me, but when you need certain favors, when I wasn't afraid, that's all I'm gonna say. Now, this Paulwel thing, it really kinda crazy. Throughout the whole ordeal, this man has been quiet until him hear say the girl, I guess she named Leona Bradshaw, the soldier girl from America, is fucking in jail. You know why I'm repeat that? The only time him come out and talk is when him hear the soldier girl a fuck a police boy in a lockup, which them say them investigate and it's a rumor, but yet still them transfer the policeman. Now, I was reasoning with Mama Nanny there, the great Nanny. She need to get her own vlog, you know. But Nanny low key. Nanny is a great lady. You don't know, I love Nanny. Me and her a feeling. But the girl who do the killing, she flew down from America, and while she fly down, I guess Paulwel was busy she was at his house in my job. Long story short, it's his car, you know. The crazy baby mother from America call the young lady, go pick up her, bring her to Warwick Hill with about 3 or 4 man, do them fiddle to the young lady and her child, and bring back the car. Now, Why would Philip Paulwel still have that car sitting around? I think all of this and the connection, cause a lot of people are saying, yeah, him do it, or he's involved. He created the blueprint. But the police, them not working hard enough to connect the blueprint, because the only way they're gonna connect this blueprint where Philip dropped, they would have to get phone digital information, because let's be real, when you have a murder like this, real vicious murder, dog, a young baby and the mother. Same thing like what happened in Trinidad the other day, yesterday, where this pussy bottom feeder. Every time I talk about it, I get emotional. Cut off the little girl head. Cause the mother tell him, say, yo, I know you're a baby. I'll cook see baby. Similar to this. Yeah, she have a baby for me, and I'm my baby. So because of that now, the soldier girl get upset to the point where, yeah, tell me, say she have planned this young lady murder. I link Philip Paulwel and even understand what's going on. Now, me feel like the girl family who died, I think they're afraid because they know that Paulwel was the one who dropped the blueprint. But because I saw a video the other day and it's fucking crazy, dog. It's crazy. Philip Paulwel, the video said he is the richest politician in Jamaica. His value, I don't want to tell a lie though, $50 million US. Where do these politicians get all of this damn money from when Jamaica one of the poorest country in the hemisphere? We next to Haiti to Rasclad, a shell of a country. There is really no industry, and the little industry that's there, the government have certain private entity or suck it out dry to Rasclad, bauxite, minerals, whatever we have. You understand? Now, Paulwel, in a case like this, he would be the prime suspect. In when you have a case where baby daddy had a woman, this, that, baby dead, ex-girlfriend dead, he would have be the number one person. The police them are Jamaica, cause you know, like I said, me and mama talk, nanny. And it's like she explained certain things to me. And me I try comprehend. And you know, like I said, me a youth, me naive, you know. And I'm like, why the evidence is not there, that's why them don't charge him. And she's like, no, it's not so the evidence is there. It's because the people them who are investigate the thing, them lackadaisical, and then you have this politician with money. He might run some money and the police them look the other way, which is 100% possible. You understand? Cause me know a friend with the charge with a gun, you know, and him woman. And me call a police, and when him go court, the gun disappear. And me I say, what? You understand? So, me know say them thing they go on. It is, like me I said, the family them, one thing is surprising too. Mentioned it earlier. The dead girl, her family didn't come out and speak. And they didn't say anything and they were so quiet. And one of the reasons why them afraid of the power that this man have. So my thing is, I am asking Paul and the police them to take another look at Philip Paulwel. And I am wondering if the people who charge, if this man Philip Paulwel set the blueprint, are you guys gonna really go to prison for a bottom feeder? Philip Paulwel is a top bottom feeder. And you see, a top bottom feeder is one of the worst case bottom feeder them. I guess that would be the equivalent to a 116. You see what I'm saying? But all I'm saying, most of these politicians, I am talking about Paulwel, you know, and I have my eyes closed and all I'm thinking about is how come this man have so much money? And with all this money, this is what he's doing. I don't want to think that him using money and pay off the police or Paula. It seems like Paula is a tough lady. Not the most prettiest young lady in the class, but she seems pretty tough. And so I think if any sort of payment is going to go on, that would have to go to the police, because the police can always stymie the investigation, drop it. If the police drop the investigation, that's it. Now if it go to the DPP, the police can also blackball them by not going or not doing the election thing. See what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, most of these politicians like Paulwel and Big Pussy Silvera, I'm going to talk about him too. Him shot the lady in her vagina and cover it up. Never talk, do a video upon him. But them politicians, yeah, them have too much power. And until the government step up and scrutinize them, they will always have this. Philip Paulwel might be guilty, but the $1 million question is, and I want to know, hear what the question is, you know. Who is going to prove his guiltiness, or he's guilty? No one. So with that said, this look like him get away with murder. And that's courtesy of the Jamaican people them who keep their mouth shut and who is not saying anything and not standing up for justice. I'm out. Before we get into the video, I want you to check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel, and also check out the WhatsApp group down below. You understand? In the group, we share information, we talk about a lot of stuff. And any ideas, any kind of videos you guys want me to make, I'll make it for you as long as it's possible for me to do it. So remember, check out the WhatsApp group. Now, let's go.